Penley the Penguin, and I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about emperor penguins and how to find the side length, area, and perimeter of rectangular figures. Now, we are the largest penguins, emperor penguins, and we can dive down over 500 meters into the ocean in search of food. So we have to be able to hold our breath a long time. How long do you think we can hold our breath? Well, the fact is we can hold our breath 18 minutes. Try to hold your breath even a minute. Solve problems involving perimeter, area, and side length. So we're going to do that. We're going to look at a square that has a side of 30 feet. So its perimeter would be all the way around 30, all the sides equal 30, times 4, which would be 120 feet. A rectangle that has 40 feet and 20 feet, if we went around the rectangle, would be 40 feet plus 20 feet plus 40 feet plus 20 feet. So 40 plus 20 would be 60, and there's another 40 plus 20, 60 and 60. This would also be 120 feet. Now, both perimeters are equal. Are their areas the same? We'll find out. To get the area of a square, we multiply the length times the width. All the sides are equal, so 30 times 30 would be 900 square feet. The area of the rectangle would be 40 times 20. 4 times 2 is 8, and of course 10 times 10 is 100. So we have 800 square feet. So even though we have the same distance around the figures, the area of the square is larger than the area of this rectangle. Now let's say we know the area of a rectangle and we want to find the perimeter and the side length. Well, if the area is 600 and one of the sides is 30, how do we get the length of the other side? Well, we know that area equals length times width. What times 30 would give us 600? Well, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 30 would be 60, and another 10 would be 20. So 20 times 30 would be 600. So the length, side length, is 20 feet. What would the perimeter be? Well, we would add 30 plus 20 and another 30 plus 20, or 30 plus 20, which is 50, and multiply that by 2. 2 times 50 would be 100 feet. So by knowing the area of a rectangle and one of its sides, we can find the side length, and once we know both side lengths, we can find the perimeter.